This is Cam from Sykesville Off-Road. I am working on my garbage Jeep J10 pickup. So this is the standard Jeep / GM brake light switch. When the brake pedal is all the way up, there is no power going through the switch. You move the pedal, basically hit the brakes, and the switch engages. This is my new switch. It is not hooked up. The button is not depressed. Brake lights are on. Hit the button, brake lights go out. Make sense? I hope so. So, the issue is with a 4L60E, it has a lockup torque converter. When you hit the brakes, it needs to send 0 voltage to the activation wire on the converter. The only way to get that is to run a relay and some overly complicated wiring, or you can run this newer style switch. This is the part number. This is just the one I found. I'm pretty sure it's GM with cruise control. So what happens is I have keyed 12 volts going to one side of the switch. Right now it is sending 12 volts to the computer and transmission. When I hit, you can see it here. So right now the brakes are basically pressed, so there's nothing going to that wire. When I let off the brakes, I have 12 volts going to it with the key on. This is the easiest way I have found to do it. If you have something you have found that works for you, please let me know. That is it in a nutshell. It is confusing on the internet and even YouTube trying to find an easy explanation. Use this switch, keyed 12 volts going to the switch. When you hit the brakes, no power goes through that switch for this wire. That's it in a nutshell. Good luck with your project. Thanks for watching.